supporters, subscribers, family, friends, everyone that's a part of this channel. Definitely want to wish you guys a big Merry Christmas. Season's greetings from Rush from More Review. And you guys know I'm Rush, the Discover Boss. And I wish for all you guys to have a great Christmas, you and your family. Remember the reason for the season, and a prosperous new year when it comes. Alright, so you guys have been a part of the channel from day one, and just gonna give you guys a big shout out, a big thank you. I really appreciate all the support, guys, from each and every person. Whether it's just liking a video, sharing a video, commenting on a video, or just making video suggestions. Whether it's that you probably supported the channel financially, or you probably told a friend about the channel. Really appreciate the support, guys. It means a lot. The channel is growing. We're almost at 7,000 subscribers, so we are growing. So we're pushing for that 10,000 subscribers mark. And I know with all you guys' help and support, we can definitely get there. So thanks again, guys, for all the support. Thanks for being a part of the family. Thanks for being supportive of Rush and the initiative, which the main aim is just to highlight the beauty of Jamaica, is to highlight all the good things that are happening in Jamaica, development, constructions. It's just really showing and sharing some positivity around Jamaica. So I know a lot of persons love that, both locally and overseas, and a lot of persons love the content as well. And with you guys' continued support, the channel will grow, and this will be a positive channel, just highlighting mainly, if not only, growth and development in Jamaica. So thanks again, guys. This is really a Merry Christmas video, but yes, I'm here at the Emancipation Park in New Kingston. A sunny, beautiful morning in Jamaica. Very quiet. Most persons are at work, just a day or two before Christmas. So this is a nice area to relax, to chill, to just take in nature. It's very well kept. I think the National Housing Trust is in charge of this park. And we know that the National Housing Trust has money, and I really think they do a good job just maintaining this park. I would have done previous videos on this park already, but this is a video just saying Merry Christmas to all you guys that are watching this video, and everyone that has supported the channel in whatever way. And I know 2020 was a rough year, but if you are watching this video, it meant that you have made it so far. So that is something to give thanks for. A lot of persons didn't make it. Hundreds of thousands of persons died due to the big COVID, but we are still here. So thanks again, guys. Thanks for the support. Season's greetings. Merry Christmas. And in 2021, the channel will be getting bigger. We'll be going more places. We'll be seeing a lot more. And I'm sure you guys will be on the journey as well. So stay tuned. Again, Emancipation Park in New Kingston. It's kind of like a circle. So we're in the heart of the financial district in New Kingston. Right over there is the relatively new Courtyard Marriott. That's right over there. I'll get a bit closer and show you guys some glimpses of the NHT head office and car park. Over there is closer to New Kingston. That hotel is being developed and renovated by the Hendricks. They have been working on it for a while. So I know it's probably at least one more year before it sees its first guests. And we know COVID slowed up a lot of things. And then over here, We have the iconic Pegasus that I think the AC Hotel up on Lady Musgrave is giving a run for its money. Most things are now happening at AC. You know, they have a good bar setting, they have a good entertainment package. So a lot of younger folks, older folks as well, are going to the AC Hotel now. So I know Pegasus has to make a big transformation to be able to keep up with that market. It's right now the tallest building in Jamaica, 17 floors. It was built years ago. So I know there's a lot of restriction when it comes to building code, you know, earthquake prone and everything. But similar to some persons on the channel, I am advocating for a new taller building right now. I am advocating for a building in Jamaica to be at least 30 floors or 34 floors. I think we can do it. There's a lot of engineering breakthrough right now. So the usual complaints about, you know, earthquake plates and natural disaster, I think engineering can fix that, proper engineering. Because we see other islands, we see other countries, we see other first world countries with similar geography as Jamaica that has much taller buildings. So I think we can do it. I'm not saying every building needs to be a skyscraper. I'm not saying every building needs to be multi-floor. But I think in a time like this, we need a much taller building. Something iconic, something special, something possibly even in the middle of half a tree, you know, to stand tall for Jamaica. What do you guys think? I know a lot of persons support this, especially Pete. Yes, I'm going to call out Pete's name, because Pete is always commenting and wanting taller buildings. So yeah, what do you guys think about that? So again, it's just a walk around the Emancipation Park. They have a jogging trail here. They have lots of beautiful flowers. Persons come here to take pictures, to chill. Sometimes when events are keeping, government events, they may use here as the venue. These statues are relatively new, donated by the Rotary Club of Kingston, 2018 project. And that would be the stage area over there for events. So I'll show you guys a glimpse of the National Housing Trust multi-level car park and their head office. And sometimes I wonder, the NHT was built years ago, but at least they had the idea to build a multi-level parking to facilitate the traffic that they would have seen years after. And I think that parking garage is doing real good right now. A lot more of those should have been built, especially around urban Kingston, urban New Kingston as well. But yeah, a lot of things I'm talking about, guys. But share your thoughts, comment on whatever you choose. Let me hear your side of the story. So just showing you guys around the park. Lots of traffic on the road right now. You know, if you don't know some back roads and some minor roads, you're stuck in traffic all day. You know, or if you have a bike, you should be good. But nowadays, it's not stereotyping, but you know, most of the criminals are on bike nowadays as well. Right over here is the Development Bank of Jamaica. Right here. And then you have some older type apartment complexes around the area as well. That's the Dorchester over there. It's an apartment complex. Alright guys, so remember to like as usual. Remember to share so someone else can see, someone local or someone overseas can see. Because I know a lot of persons will not make it back to Jamaica for the Christmas. Probably used to do it every year, but just because of COVID and the restrictions and, you know, just trying to minimize your family and friends. I know some persons will be having their Christmas dinner virtually. So yeah, share this video, you know, like the video, leave a comment. And, you know, the lawns are being watered. I have to be dodging water. And I'll end the video right at the NHT head office. Alright guys, so thanks again. Thanks for watching. And happy holidays from Raymore Reviews. Alright, so I know this is a day video, but I'm sure at night when all these lights are turned on, because there's a lot of lights around the place, I'm sure it's a beauty. So in the night, this must look very beautiful. Alright, so that's the multi-level car park over there for NHT, 4 floors. Days gone by, I know they used to have rooftop parties and stuff like that. To be honest with you guys, I didn't even realize this little fitness area is here. You know, to do some extra exercises using these equipment. So you have the jogging trail and this small fitness center donated by the China Harbor Engineering Company. And I'm sure everyone knows China Harbor. They're the main company doing most of the construction in Jamaica, from roads to building to apartments. They're getting the multi-billion-dollar contracts as well. They're getting land and other assets from the government. So we all know China Harbor. And then over here is the NHT head office. That's just a glimpse. It's one of the government agencies that, you know, can manage itself, can support itself, because it's making money and everybody wants a house and can't get a house. But yeah, that's a different topic. So again guys, thanks for watching. See you on another video.